Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The Best Fun Squad Toys is probably one of the most exciting and engaging collections of playthings designed to spark imagination and encourage active fun for children of all ages, offering a diverse range of products that cater to various interests and developmental stages, ensuring that every child can find something to love and explore. Number 5. Holy Stone HS190 Mini Drone. This mini drone is designed for effortless fun. With simple one-click controls and exciting 3D flips, it's perfect for kids to enjoy flying right away. Enjoy a stable and carefree flight thanks to altitude hold and headless mode. It hovers steadily and is easy to control, making it ideal for beginners and kids. It offers 3 adjustable speed modes, from low to high. This allows kids of all skill levels to customize their flying experience and have more fun. Safety is paramount with its propeller guards protecting little hands. An emergency stop function ensures it lands immediately, reducing the risk of accidents. This drone is incredibly compact and foldable, fitting easily into your pocket or bag. It's the perfect companion for adventures and a fantastic gift for boys and girls. To avoid interference when flying multiple drones, power on and pair each one individually with its remote control before flying. What we like? This mini drone is perfect for beginners and kids who want an easy-to-fly experience. Its one-click takeoff and landing, along with altitude hold, make it incredibly user-friendly. If you are looking for a drone that offers exciting 3D flips and is simple to control, this is a great choice for young pilots. What people say. The product works well and has a good design. The features and functions of this toy are impressive. Number 4. Tikduck Flying Orb Ball 2026. Introducing the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball 2026, a revolutionary toy that brings the magic of flight right to your hands. Get ready for an out-of-this-world experience. With its advanced AI chip and gyroscope, this hand-controlled drone offers intelligent flight capabilities. Experiment with different throws to create amazing boomerang effects and unique flight paths. Crafted from lightweight yet durable ABS material, it's built to withstand playtime adventures. The enclosed propellers ensure safety, so you can play without worry. Simply connect it to USB for a quick 25-minute charge, and enjoy 8 to 10 minutes of continuous flight. The LED indicator lets you know when it's time to recharge. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor fun, this toy requires minimal space to operate. Enjoy its smooth flight and boomerang effect in your backyard or living room. Looking for a unique gift? This hand-controlled drone is ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion. It's a fantastic present for kids, teens, and even adults. What we like? Experience a unique flying adventure with this hand-controlled orb ball. Its intelligent flight and boomerang effect provide endless fun and help develop coordination. If you want a toy that can be played anywhere, indoors or out, and offers a cool, high-tech experience, this is the one for you. What people say. It has a flexible cage that prevents damaging, but it can knock over a glass. Fingers can't get inside, so it's kid-safe as well. The casing is fairly soft, compressible, so I wasn't really worried about them in the house. You can definitely just use it, albeit somewhat clumsily, right out of the box, but with very little practice you can get some simple tricks going. It has sensors, hovers above the hand, safe to play with indoors, it's fun to play with. The flying orb ball is sensitive to small deviations in angles when tossed. When you toss the orb, toss it gently and without too much strength as the motor and propeller will provide movement. Straight line boomerang. Grasp the spinning flying ball at the center with your hand, up facing upwards, then throw it from the ground by a 10 to 20 degree angle with the upside facing your body yourself. With some practice, it will fly back to you as it follows its original flight path after the flying ball reaches its maximum height. Magic levitation. Levitation is a skill that takes time to master as it requires balancing the orb over your hand while it is flight. After you have turned on the flying orb and it is oriented up, hold it with one hand as the propeller is moving and then place your other hand, palm side up, underneath the orb. Using your top hand to brace the flying orb, gently release it and try to balance it between your 2 hands until you can eventually follow and balance its movement using only one hand underneath it. With enough practice, levitation will become easier. The LEDs are a huge plus because you can even play at night. Number 3. Fun Little Toys Pop-Up Play Tent Camping Set. Get ready for exciting camping adventures with this all-in-one play set. It includes everything your little one needs to explore the great outdoors, right in their own home. This set comes with 17 essential camping items, including a pretend stove and lamp, binoculars, and a shovel. It's perfect for imaginative play and developing new skills. Setting up camp is a breeze with the collapsible pop-up tent. It's incredibly easy to assemble and just as simple to take down, making it portable for any adventure. This pop-up tent provides a cozy spot for your child to play, nap, or read. It's a wonderful personal space for them to enjoy their own adventures. Light up the fun with the interactive pretend stove and oil lamp that glow and light up. The included survival whistle also features a flashlight, compass, and thermometer for added excitement. Designed for children aged 3 and up, this set encourages active and imaginative play. It's the ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. What we like? This play tent set brings the camping adventure right into your home or backyard. With 17 included accessories like a pretend stove and lamp, it sparks imaginative play. If you're looking for a comprehensive camping-themed toy that encourages role-playing and exploration for young children, this is an excellent option. What people say. The tent assembles itself easily and seems of good, durable quality. The colors are vibrant and fun. The tent folds up for easy storage. The set has everything: a pretend campfire that almost makes you smell s'mores, a flashlight that works better than mine, and enough gear to turn bedtime into a full-blown wilderness expedition. It has plenty to keep them busy and engaged. The tent is easy to open and, once you get the hang of it, easy to fold back. The cooking set is realist. The lantern is great. And the campfire is very well made as well. Number 2. Meland Kids Camping Set with Tent. Get ready for an exciting camping adventure with this all-in-one play set. It's perfect for little explorers who love the outdoors. This pop-up tent sets up in seconds, creating a cozy secret base for your child. It's ideal for indoor fun or backyard camping. Light up the pretend campfire and lantern with batteries. They can also explore the world with the adjustable binoculars. This kit encourages independence and a love for outdoor activities. It's a great way for parents and children to bond while learning camping skills. This comprehensive set includes everything needed for pretend play, from a campfire and tent to bugs and utensils. It even comes with a backpack for easy storage. Looking for a gift? This pretend camping set is perfect for birthdays or holidays, sparking imagination and outdoor fun for kids aged 3 to 8. What we like? Embark on a fun camping adventure with this all-in-one play set. It features a pop-up tent, a realistic campfire with lights, and numerous accessories for immersive pretend play. If you want a gift that fosters independence and strengthens parent-child bonds through shared outdoor-themed activities, this set is ideal. What people say. The product is very durable and has held up well to rough play. The design is engaging for children, with bright colors and interesting shapes. It's easy to assemble and use, making it a great toy for independent play. Number 1. Redux Glow-in-the-Dark Capture the Flag Game. Experience the classic game of Capture the Flag like never before. Light up your night with 23 glowing pieces and over 12 hours of battery life for endless fun. This game is perfect for everyone, from 8 years old to adults. Gather up to 20 players, or even 16 with variations, and make thrilling memories together. Put down the screens and get moving. Team up, strategize, and sprint to victory. It's a fantastic way to enjoy active play and real social connection. Looking for a unique gift? This is an incredibly cool present for birthdays or any occasion. It's a great alternative to other outdoor toys and games. With 12 bonus challenges included, the replayable excitement never ends. Enjoy hours of thrilling gameplay with friends and family. Brought to you by the creators of other innovative active games. We are proud to offer engaging experiences for today's generation. What we like? Light up the night with this exciting glow-in-the-dark Capture the Flag game. It's designed for active, social play, encouraging teamwork and strategy. If you're looking for an engaging outdoor game for kids and teens that gets them moving and interacting away from screens, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The lights were very bright and were easy to see in near total darkness. Bracelets and balls stayed bright through an hour of play, and some were left on and were bright the next day. The game modes are great and enable a play and go facility, but we loved pondering them and making our own, plan by day and play by night. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.